Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at this needle file set RESP version from Lidl or Kaufland. So obviously up until now I had sets like this. Do I have another one at hand? No, not at hand, but I have finer than this, but nothing of this caliber. This is freaking RESP. It's the miniature version of this thingy, and I kind of really liked when I saw that they are actually available. Oh, and they have little pins on which they sit. Isn't this little guy cute? But you wouldn't want it coming against your skin, would you? Like a cat's tongue. So yeah, we'll put them to work from time to time, mostly I think on wood and plastic. I don't expect this to do anything on metal, and probably they will wear out instantly. But on soft materials I think they are freaking awesome. So yeah, nothing more, nothing less. I'm going to put this set to use, because I don't want to pretend that I'm doing something with them now. That's not how I do it. Let me actually work with them to be able to give my proper opinion on this set of tools. Yeah, they don't seem to be extremely straight at first, or actually they are straight. So it's just this weird packaging that makes them look like they are not straight at all, because you can see how they sit in here. Well, it doesn't actually matter at all, but yeah, just a bit weird. Oh, they need to actually pop in here. No, they don't. I would break them if I push more. Anyway, so put them to good use and get back to you. Fixing some speakers, and they had damaged corners. It was just a bunch of fluff in here. Put super glue on it, so now it's really strong. And I'm going to use these little guys to get it straight, because I have much more control than on a really big file that could instantly damage the edge. And yeah, with these things should be a bit more precise. This is going even better than expected. Yes, this is my left hand, so I will not really be able to show you properly on screen. You can see what's coming off. These are really good files, honestly, better than I would have expected. Up until now, really happy with the purchase. Let me continue with my right hand. I don't want to damage anything in here. Okay, this went good. So at this point in time, yes, this will be repainted, all of it. I just needed to fix that and seal it up. I'm going to put just a bit more super glue, because I also reached a bit of fluff where super glue didn't penetrate it fully. But yeah, this is good. Okay. Now let me do the same on the other ones. Camera focus, please. Anyway, maybe you can see it a bit. And that's about it for this video. I don't really have any woodworking jobs where I can use this. But it's nice to have them around for when time will come. They are cheap enough and good enough that if I use them once a year and they get me out of a pickle, they are worth it to have around, because they are small, they work quite well, they seem to be quite strong. Yes, they are a bit crooked made, doesn't matter for this particular job. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And as always, see you in the next video. Bye.